Hi guys, so it's me again, Mom with the Goth. Today I think I'm gonna kind of do like a little mini room tour. I don't think I've done that on like YouTube. I think I made like a few little TikToks about like some of my jewelry in the room. So I'll just go through my room real quick. I'll try to make this one shorter than my usual rant videos. Okay, so that doesn't fit my aesthetic. Okay, so this right here is supposed to be my series called Girls in Distress that I've been working on a while. But because I have an issue with trying to be professionistic, I keep redoing the first book over and over and over and getting burnt out. So no one really knows what the fuck it is. So yeah, this part's a little messy because water and I just had my coffee. Have my little dolls right here. So these are custom, but they're supposed to be me. So this one's more representative of like my singer self. What the hell? I'm not used to doing this ratio. These water balls get on my nerves. Let me throw them somewhere else. They all on the camera and shit. Pissing me off. But yeah, so if I ever make it to being a singer and whatever, my stage name would be Lucille and I would wear mostly like white hair. And oop, this one, my damn recording equipment's all in the way. But this one is just kind of the representative of like my Momo the Goth persona, which is just kind of me. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure this out. I should just move the damn doll over here. But yeah, this is just me as a goth or whatever. And I think I got this from Amazon because there's this girl, I forgot what her name is, but she draws really nice portraits. And she does a lot of portraits of like statues and stuff like that. And she had one, and I'm pretty sure I got that from Amazon, unless it was AliExpress or something. But yeah, I have my little tapestry right above, right over here. It's my little setup. My little logo that I'm going to be updating. Gothic Kitty. I have this on here because I want this to be my fashion brand for, stripes, goth, cat, stuff like that. I was heavily inspired by Killstar. This was like up here, but I had a job and I had a cubicle, so I took this stuff over to the cubicle and I just kind of brought it back because I worked there from one weekend that didn't work out. So yeah, but yeah, I used to really love Killstar, but I think because they got bought out a few years ago, their stuff's just kind of generic now. But old school Killstar, like a lot of this room has like Killstar stuff. Like the tapestries are Killstar. That's Killstar. The little creatures, those are Killstar. That pillow's Killstar. That purse is Killstar. This one's the moon. That one's Doll's Kill. That hat is not Killstar. I think I got that from. I think it was a Halloween store or something. I don't think it was like a goth thingy. But yeah. And this part over here is a little messy, so I'm gonna try not to show that too much. But they're not Killstar either. They're what the hell are they called? I done forgot. Strange Cult. Let me see if I could zoom into the logo right here. I'm pretty sure it's Strange Cult. But yeah. So there's a cat in my freaking blinds because she likes to be over there. I got my diploma and degree, and I made some little shadow boxes. I'll get up, my lazy ass, just fucking zooming in. But yeah, and then this is my little setup up here. I really like this. I just love the black and white. And when I do my little fashion thing, I want it to mostly be like that. I'm not going to have too much color just because I feel like you could kind of go anywhere else and have color. My cat wants to go. All right, go on. I don't want to hit you with the door now. Just squeeze your way through. But yeah, this is my little cross thing with my little candles. Two of them are missing. I gotta put them back, even though they're empty, but I just don't like them not being equal. And these are my little manifestation shelves. I gotta move. Ow. Come closer. So this is my series I was talking about. These clearly aren't Girls in Distress. I didn't create those clearly, but I was going to make little Girls in Distress Bibles, which is just kind of like the comic all the way up to now, like how I started when I was younger and the most updated ones, but I just haven't finished it yet, so those are placeholders. But I had a coin made because they have a world called Leodova, and that's like the little logo for now. She's an agent. He's an agent. That's her partner. That's her right here, and her sisters, and there's a little poster in the bag. And this one right here is supposed to be like a manifestation shelf of like, oh, I want to be a singer one day. And I had little trophies and a little, oh yeah, my album will look like this. I'll have a little poster saying like, oh, I sold so many albums or something. I don't know. And then all the way up there is, you know, my fashion stuff, Gothic Kitty. Let me try to zoom it in because that's kind of tall. I hope you guys can still hear me because the phone's kind of getting away from me now. Damn it. Zoom in a little bit. Come on now. But yeah, you see how the perfume... Damn it, where's my hand? Oops. You see how the perfume bottles are there. And I just like this little aesthetic stuff. Has a little shoe there. There's a little fashion thing that I designed over here. And there's just a picture of me. And I'm like, oh my god, I'm in Vogue or some shit. I don't know. So yeah, that's that. Ooh, let me show you the most important part of my room. Oh, she's so cute. I didn't think she was going to be sitting like that. I thought she was going to be sitting like another way. Say hello, mamas. Say hello. Oh, you're so pretty. Her name's Calliope. Ooh, she my baby. Both of them my babies, but she my baby. My bed looks crazy, so sorry. But yeah, so this is it from this view. I think this mirror was IKEA, but I don't think they make it anymore, which is a freaking shame. That's Killstar over here. This is my chair, but because I wear so much black, it's like stained over here from like the dyes from the black. So that sucks. I was gonna like try to get striped fabric and pin it to the chair, but that was a lot of work and I just kind of got tired and didn't want to do it no more. And this over here is my altar from my mama. I don't think I made a video. I mean, I just made a video on my altar, but I think it was a TikTok video. I don't think it was a YouTube video, so. Yeah, she liked horses. This is her urn. She ordered that right before she died from my school catalog thing. And I think I was in 3rd or 4th grade when she passed. And she ordered it, and then she just kind of got sick and died real fast. I think they said that they thought she was going to have more time, like a few months. But, yeah, it ended up being a lot less, I guess. So, yeah, that's kind of my room. I thought it was cool. And there's some more shoes over here, too. But I didn't show this side too much because it's messy. I'm trying not to show the floor. No, I don't want you guys to see that. But, yeah, that was my little mini room tour. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys want me to do videos of, like, my jewelry or something or parts of my house. And I will catch you guys in the flip. Bye.